all the time steering. When I press gas pedal, it is like tearing, and then it's going to change the gear. And the backwards is the same, 2 times steering, and then we are going full load. That's weird, very weird. We can see again. The steering is so big, so strong, even my phone is falling down. And on the RPMs, we can see that it is going firstly to 1100, like with no power, and then it changed to power. And when I let the vehicle moving, it is going, but after pushing the gas pedal, it is still tearing. Thank you very much, and see the Auto Project channel. Bye.